this is very exciting and thrilling news to tell you that I just received few minutes before the IDT lectures book. In totality, there are two volumes in the parcel. So one is the handwritten note, one is the handwritten self-study book. तो एक तो है handwritten self-study book, and second one is a question bank which I received from C. Riddhi Baghmar. So I thought that I need to complete my IDT lecture as soon as possible because exam are near. Since I am appearing for the November 24 and I have enrolled for the IDT lecture for the very first time. So I have given May 24, but I'm preparing for group 2 for the very first time. And the thing, let's see that how all will overall review of C. Riddhi Bagmar I will share afterwards once I completed the scene. Alright, so this is from my side. Hope that this will be helpful for you, and here I am with this exciting news. Alright.